Lesson 1. Goggles. The first thing to do when working in the lab is to put on your goggles. That is incorrect. That is correct. Goggles should be worn over the eyes. Lesson 2. Supervision. You should only be in the lab when properly supervised. Good. Very good. Very good indeed. I like it. Yes, yes. Lesson 3. Loose clothing. When in the lab, loose clothing should never be worn. That brings us to our next point. No throwing objects in the lab. Lesson 4. Throwing objects.
Yeah.
Incorrect. The correct course of response is not to return the favor. Lesson 5. Horseplay. You are never to engage in horseplay when in the lab. The consequences can be deadly. Once again, no throwing while in the lab. Lesson 6. In case of injury. In the unlikely occurrence that an injury is sustained in the lab, notify the teacher immediately. Lesson 7. In case of a spill. In the likely chance of a spill, notify the teacher immediately. Lesson 8. Wafting. That, my boy, is dead wrong. You must use your hand and waft the fumes towards you. Very good. Lesson 9. Food and drink. No food or drink is to be consumed while in the lab. Also, never consume any chemicals unless directed to by your instructor. Lesson 10. Fire regulations. In the unlikely occurrence of a fire, it is necessary to know the locations of the fire blanket and the fire extinguisher. Lesson 10.1. If you are on fire. Don't panic. Instead, have someone cover you from head to toe with a fire blanket, like so. Fantastic! Lesson 10.2. If there is a fire. If there is a fire, grab the closest fire extinguisher and point the extinguisher at the base of the flames and squeeze the handle. Lesson 11. Proper footwear. This is Billy. He's a moron. He wears sandals in the lab. This is quite wrong. This is Jimmy Boy, Billy's twin. He's smart and wore proper footwear that covers the toe. Well done, Jimmy Boy. Lesson 13. Use materials properly. No, that broom is not a guitar. What are you thinking? That floor isn't going to clean itself. Very good. Lesson 14, Organize Workspace. Your workspace should be well organized at all times. Well done. Lesson 15, Lighting a Burner. When lighting a burner, make sure area around the burner is clear and well organized. Then carefully light the burner. Good job. Lesson 16, Using proper utensils. You should always use proper utensils when handling certain objects. Lesson 17, Beware of surroundings. Never point the top of a test tube towards anybody when heating a substance. Lesson 18, Never leave a burner unsupervised. What? Where are you going? Come back. Lesson 19, Burner Etiquette. Always extinguish a burner when not in use. Lesson 20, Waste Disposal. Always dispose of waste in the proper reciprocal. Broken glass in the broken glass container. Trash in the trash container. And toxic waste in the toxic waste container. Lesson 21, Cleanup. Always clean up your work area when done in the lab.